I'm Randy Jones with Incredible Tiny Homes, and I am excited about this video I'm about to show you. This is called the Add-i-Box, or Add-i-Cottage, okay? So we have the Add-i-Cottage, and now we have the Add-i-Cottage. And so it's a 10 by 20 and a 10 by 20 joined together. With that, you'll have a 4-foot wide porch, 20 foot long, 4 foot deep, 20 foot wide. And it's a full 2-bedroom, 2-bath tiny home, 20 by 20, 400 square feet. These can be joined together. We're doing a special right now that if you buy an Add-i-Cottage and an Add-i-Cottage, we will come and we will put those together for you and for free. It is part of our debut of this Add-i-Cottage. We're excited about it. It is a different look than ever. And remember, it's a 10 by 20, 10 by 20, looks like a real home. I hope you enjoyed this video. The video is done by Master Builders on YouTube. Go check out his channel. This is a CGI video that he's done for us to give you an idea of what the Add-i-Cottage will look like. Let me pull this up for you. Starts out with a floor plan, and you can go to our website to see this video. And Master Builders on YouTube is the gentleman who created this for us. Here's the existing Add-i-Cottage. Here's the new Add-i-Cottage. The doorway goes into the living room, bedroom, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, living room, dining room. I'm just blown away. This is so awesome. And he shows it, right? Add-i-Cottage, Add-i-Cottage. As low as $34,900, $29,900, so $65,000. You got a 40 by 40, 2-bedroom, 2-bath tiny home. Now, if you want to purchase both of these completely done with the flower boxes, the shutters, and the wood trim in and out, we can do that too. That's $49,900 for each, and we'll come and we'll put these together for you. Isn't that beautiful front porch? Here's an overview. Coming in the front door, right? Here. Kitchen, come this way, come in through here, come in this way. 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Unbelievable. Now, you don't have to have a bedroom. It could be a study. It could be a craft room. Let's go inside. Kitchen, dining room. When you walk in, isn't it? I love walking into a kitchen and that little nook for a dining room. He's going to spin around and to show you. Of course, you're looking into the Add-i-Cottage, which is your living room. Think about that. 20 by 20. Here's your refrigerator, 10 cubic refrigerator, upper cabinets, microwave, range hood, cooktop. Farm style sink. Little dinette. Now he's got a closet in this one and a washer and dryer in the Add-i-Box. So you've got a closet there, full-size bath. This is where the bed is. Look at there. Look at the ladies. Gloria and Amanda. And you've got a 48-inch wide closet. So there's a closet, another closet, full bathroom, 36-inch shower, queen bed. Of course, you can buy one of our stowaway beds and have drawers underneath your bed. Now, everything in this video has been done to scale. He took my drawings and made sure everything fit. So your house, if you order this, all this can fit like you're doing. For the $49,900, we do put upper cabinets. And now let's go into the Add-i-Box. which is a full living room with another bedroom bath. Amazing. I'm so excited about this project of the Add-i-Cottage. It turns us into a modular home or just a featured home that is 400 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 bath. Where do you get a 2 bedroom, 2 bath, all on one floor tiny home that can be separated, shipped separately, lived in it, and then taken apart, and you can move it anywhere you'd like? Master Builders on YouTube did this for us. I think he did a great job. I hope this has helped you understand a little bit about the Add-i-Cottage and the Add-i-Cottage. And I hope this is something you can wrap your mind around and listen. If you want to take 2 of these and do all the trim and add the kitchen, all that, you can do that too. $29.90, just like $29,900, $29 for $60,000. You've got a 400 square foot house, right? Do a little bit of remodeling inside, add your kitchen, or we can do that for you for $35,000 and $35,000, and you've got all this except for the wood trim. And these are with our new panels that are 2 3/4 inches wide. Well, there you have it, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. Go to our website. You can see this video. Think about the cottage. The cottage itself is $29,900, $34,900, or $49,900, 10 by 20 home. Thank you.